So I know you are a very strong, independent woman. I know you are. But today's message is, give him a chance. Give him a chance. You see, he asked you out for a drink. You don't need to overthink it. It's just coffee, you know. He didn't say he wants to marry, relax. If it was me, I would go and see. Yeah, it's just tea, it's just coffee. What do you have to lose? Nothing. At the very least, you're going to learn something. Yeah, go for the meal. Go for the meal. It's not a big deal. See how you feel. Find out what he's saying. Have a chat. After all, he said he was paying. So, check it out. At the end of the day, you're also interested in a relationship one day. And so give him a chance. And now this is not a universal rule. I'm not saying say yes to anyone who gives you an invite to have tea or go for a dinner. But if you feel safe, if you feel okay, give him a chance, all right? Give him a chance.